Hi, my name is Saksham and today I'm going to show you how it looks after connecting to a database and how to create a database in two ways and a table in two ways. Okay, so get ready for this. In the last video, I showed you how to connect to a database. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a database. Now, you you need a canvas to basically write some code to create anything. So you press new query, alright, and you get a canvas under 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here you get the canvas. Okay, so let's say create database DADABASE. Okay, so we say create database, then we say what name you want to give the database. So I want to give it land, just like that. Okay, so land 4. So if you want to give a space, you have to give an underscore and say FOR. Alright, land 4. Okay, then you say execute and commands successfully completed. Okay, so you just left click on databases, refresh it. Please refresh it, otherwise you'll not see the change. And then open. You see, land 4. So this lender indicates that it's a personal database on the system, and system databases indicates that these databases are needed to function the SQL Server, okay, Management Studio from Microsoft. So you see master model MSDB temp-db. Okay, so in master you can get a canvas and create what you want. Model MSDB and temp-db are different things like for security, server objects, replication management. So you better should not open them because they're too complicated for you if you're still in the basics. I mean, you're supposed to, if you're seeing this video, you're still in the basic. Okay, so take the system databases out. Alright, so let me say land 4. Now the way to create this is the first way to create a database. Now I'll show you how to create a table for the first way. Okay, so you remove master. So here you can see land 4. Yeah, land 4. Okay, you can see land 4. So land 4 is here. Alright, so create database land 4. Okay, now you don't need this, but if you want to keep it there, just put 2 dashes. Boom boom. Otherwise delete it. Okay, let me just select it and delete. Yep, you saw that. Now the problem is you can't keep it because if you execute this, it will try to connect, it will try to basically create another database named land4, but it will not create a database which is already a database and is named the same thing. So I know this is a little complicated, but just understand that it cannot create the database which is already created. You cannot recreate a thing here which is, so you can see it's already there. Well, you can't create one more of it. If you want to type the data in that, you can straightly put it in this. Okay, so now now that we're using land4, we have to say create table. But if you're still on master, you have to say use database land4. Okay, so let's Alright, apparently it takes a database for land for. So let's say database. Okay, so then you have to say backspace. Yeah. Okay, so you have to say use database land for, but if you're a little doubted about this, just say use land for. So you go here. So that's what you have to do. So if you're still in master, say master and then use land for, execute, command success. So now you can see that I was in master, but I changed it to use land for. Now that is there, you would just backspace this or delete it, and then you say create table create table, and here's create table. So now suppose I say I would name the table what I randomly want. So I just say SEF random. It's a random name, okay? So then I say enter. Now it's compulsory to keep the column name on the next line here. So you can't keep it here. It's not possible. You have to take it here, okay? Alright, so it's very sensitive in that. So if you don't do it, you're gone. So I'll show you a syntax, incorrect syntax, okay? So for now, after that, what you have to do is, here you can see, so I've put a bracket, open bracket, and then I say the column names. So I'll say ID, yeah, ID. Then you have to give a data type. Now about data types, go to my next video, part 3, okay? In that you'll see what are data types. So to end column name, press comma and then say enter. Fans, then give it another data type, and okay, and I just go 1 second. Alright, so this is just another data type, so you don't need to get confused in it for now. I'll explain that to you in part 3, the next one, the next video. So I just say this. So when you're done with entering the column names, you don't have to press a comma. Go to the next line and say, now it's definitely, you have to make sure that this is connected to this and this is connected to this. Yeah. So it'll basically highlighting which are connected to what. Okay. So if this is connected to this and this is connected to this, you're going to you're gonna, I don't know, it's not gonna work. Okay, so we say execute and commands completed successfully. Now refresh land for, refresh, then say tables, and you find dbo sdf. So the other two ways, the other way for creating a table and the other way for creating a database is basically this. So you go here, press all minuses except database and your SQL Express. So don't press these two minuses, the top minuses, never press them, only the bottom minuses. So okay, so until now I hope you understood. So now what we're going to do is, I'm going to show you the other way to create a database. So you say new database. Here a window will come, and you have to say the name will come here, and you have to say your database name, and then say okay. Here will be here in that window, and it's the same for a new table. Just press a databases plus get tables, left click, say new table of the database. So new table. Now if you are doing it under a database, then the table will be saved in that current database. Okay, so get that straight. So the new table window will come, type a name and press OK here. Okay, so that will be in a window which is here, which will be here. Okay, apparently there are some defects which I can't show you, so that's okay. All right, so now in the next video I'm going to show you what are the different kind of databases you need, and how to put data in a table. If you don't put data in a table, there's no point of keeping that database. Okay, so bye. Bye. All right, bye.